Good morning. Oh my goodness. Again, my most fabulous audience ever. Okay, we've already done our pledge this morning, and since you're sitting so nice and quiet, make sure everybody's on their bottom, because if you're up on your knees, the people behind you can't see. Okay? So we're going to have our monthly assembly today, and we've got to remember a couple of things. First of all, a lot of you have already won an award. Sometimes you might have even gotten 2 awards. Today, we're going to give out awards, but are we all going to get an award? No, that would take so long we'd miss recess, so we don't have time to do that. So we've got to promise that we're going to be happy for our friends, even if today's not our turn. Can you do that? Yeah. You totally can, because everybody's going to get a turn sometime this year. It might be you've already had your turn, or your turn might be next month, okay? So the first thing we're going to do this morning is we're going to give out our math awards, and we have friends from Community Bank of Harrisonville, because they know how important math is out at the bank. They have to count the money and do all those kinds of things, and they know how important that is, so they want to recognize boys and girls that try their best at school during math. So everybody's going to listen, and remember that I'm going to say your first name and your last name, because sometimes we have friends that have the same first name, so you have to listen for your first and your last name, okay? All right, you're going to get a certificate, and then you're also going to get a bank that has a gold dollar coin in it. So when you get that, go back to your spot. Make sure you sit that down by your feet so it's not rattling and making lots of noise, okay? All right, listen closely. Our first mathematician of the month is Melody Kirk. And she's not here. We have, our next winner is Kaiser Holt. Callan Bechtel. Charlotte Waller. Alan Heimbach. Logan Jenkins. Brooklyn Kendall. And Friendly Banks. All right, we're going to have you guys pose for a picture. All right, let's thank our friends from Community Bank of Harrisonville, and also give a big round of applause to our mathematicians. All right, and next we're going to give out our Terrific Citizen Award. And our Terrific Citizen Award is sponsored by a group of people that come and read to us on Wednesdays, our Kiwanis Club. And today we have Mrs. Fisher with us, and she is in the Kiwanis Club. She works on Wednesdays, and so she hasn't got to come read in your class. But some of the readers that come on Wednesdays, they are in her club. And they know how important it is to be good citizens and do what you should do to help others in your community. And so they buy the t-shirts, so that we can give out awards at school. So thank you, Mrs. Fisher, for coming. Oh, they're going to give you a clap. Okay, thank you. All right, so listen closely. We have got our first terrific citizen is Mason Crabb. Charlotte Doherty. Macklin Hamilton. Levi Knox. Cameron Goucher. Lakeland Long. Wesley Lawson. Carly Scoville. And then we also have a terrific citizen who works at our school. And this month, our terrific citizen is Miss Jackie. Good job. Okay, Mrs. Fisher, we have you come over in our picture as well. Boys and girls, you are doing an amazing job as always. Let's give them a big round of applause and thanks Mrs. Fisher. Okay, we're going to have Mrs. Norman's going to come up and give out our Art and Music Award. So I'm going to let her go on.
All right, boys and girls, we have started working on our songs for our concert, and I've been watching to see some friends who have been doing a really good job singing with me. So our first musician of the month is Lily Tomlinson. Maggie McCracken. Calvin Chamberlain. Eddie Isaguirre. Zoe Stanley. Bryson Westover. Elijah Long. And Jet Matthews. Also have our art fair coming up next week. So I've been watching for some good artists in the classroom too. So our first artist of the month is Elena Clark. R.J. Jones. Ember Maddie Harrell. Kyler Carroll. Branson Martin.
All right, my friends, it is our PE award time. We just finished up basketball, and on Monday we started using jump ropes. That was a funny thing, wasn't it? Give me a thumbs up if that was fun. It was fun. All right, so listen for your name. Remington Rogers. Maddie Schroeder. Cooper Frazier. Peyton Chenoweth. Abel Fuller. Paisley Coots. Miles Manamino. Angel Guzman.
I'm here to present the Good Friendship Award, the Fantastic Friendship Award. These friends are kind and helpful and friendly at school every day, and your teachers notice. So I'm going to call your names. Henry Brown. Davina Court. Benjamin Randazzo. Grady Rorvik. Amelia Collazo. Raiden Kedry. Case Davis. Sammy Killingsworth. Congratulations to those students. All right. Congratulations to all of our winners. And just a reminder, keep doing your best when you go to all of your classes and when you're doing math and when you're being a good friend. Make sure the teachers see you doing all those things. And that concludes our assembly. You did a great job. Stay seated until your teacher asks you to stand up and head back to class.